his voice. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and in this video I will be listening to a song by this artist called Yash Raj. Now actually what happened was that I was scrolling through YouTube shorts और I came across a reel by this artist and उसमें वो अपने इस नए EP के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, and he said that he has kind of experimented with hip hop and disco genre. That is so cool. I mean, you give me hip hop and disco, and I'm like, it's one of my favorite genres as well. So I definitely want to see how the sound of the song is. And I have not actively listened to this artist, but I have actually listened to one of his songs where he collaborated with Hanuman Kind. And if you are living under a rock, I'm sure you are not. अभी जो हनुमान काइंड का जो गाना है वो बहुत ही ताबड़तोड़ की तरह वायरल हो रहा है across the entire globe. So I remember watching that song, and that is an amazing song. So please, you can check that out on his channel. But right now I'm going to be listening to a song मैं Spotify पे सुन रही हूँ. So this is called FGHM, and by the way EP का नाम है मेरी जान पहले नाच, which is so fitting because I mean disco is a genre where you're supposed to dance. So I am इसमें एक और आर्टिस्ट जिनका नाम है लालू, that's the name. So I don't want to delay this any further, and ये EP 15th July को, at least on Spotify, this got released on 15th of July. Let's listen to this song because I'm very very excited to see how this sounds, because this is probably my first time listening to a hip hop song which has the disco sound incorporated in it. Yeah, I don't recall listening to any other song like that. So yeah, let us begin. It's very psychedelic in a way.
मैं घूमूं ऐसे शहरों में जहाँ आंखें मिलती गैरों से और पूछे सारे ठहरोगे कि नहीं। हाँ कहना जो भी कह लोगे जब तू और मैं लहरों से हम ऊपर नीचे तैरेंगे तो सही। पूरी बात एक रात की, ना खून और दाग की, मेरी तीसरी आंख के दिखी।
Can I just say something? Firstly, I love the music. मुझे पता नहीं क्योंकि मैं Spotify में होता I don't know कि किसने इसका production किया है. I'm guessing he also has a hand in it. But this has a lot of elements actually. So this has a little bit of that not synth, I'm saying a little bit of that dancey, disco-ish kind of feel. Plus it has rock elements. Plus it has, I don't know, yeah, you can say disco rock in a way. Yeah. And plus it has that psychedelic feel. Interesting.
बाकी तू और पिघले जान के कि मैं आज थोड़ा बहका हूँ, मुझ में जान फूक लाश बन के लेटा हूँ। हफ्ते हफ्ते घुटते सारे गम, घाव जो छापते नामों से बदन, बाहों में बस होना दफन है, सोना कहाँ बस खोना है सब।
फंस गया हूँ मैं FGHM. Can I just say Actually, it has the disco elements. He's right. But it also has the rock element, and it's very trancy. It's very very trancy, but it actually makes sense because गाने का नाम है FGHM, फंस गया हूँ मैं, and I feel that this kind of is that, and it sounds psychedelic also because when you are stuck in that trancy state, you don't know what to do. Like you, in a way, you want to come out of it also, but you also are not able to come out of it. So you are kind of stuck in that zone. And when you are in that zone, you don't know what you want to do and what you are supposed to do and what you are actually doing also. Because अगर आप उस स्टेट में हो तो एक साइकेडेलिक स्टेट में चले जाते हो, your brain function is wagged, completely wagged. So it is actually fitting with the title फंस गया हूँ मैं, because you don't know how to get out of it. Also, this is a very sad song, but I love the way it sounds so firstly it's trancy, second there are rock elements in this, there are a little bit of disco elements in this, and it's a sad song, but it's also very cinematic also because you can hear his voice kind of echo. It's very interesting. I love the sound engineering which is done here. I might listen to a couple of इस EP में 7 गाने हैं, so I actually might listen to this EP probably in one shot, but I specifically wanted to start with this song because it's an interesting title, FGHM. So yeah, I'm loving this. His voice.
फिर जाने कहाँ
Totally. Oh, that was nice. That was nice. That was quite nice. I might want to listen to a couple of more songs. This is very okay. I was not expecting this. Firstly, I was expecting, I mean, चलो गाने का नाम फंस गया हूँ मैं, but I was expecting still something maybe at least not a sad song. Maybe I was expecting some sort of like a punch wala song. इसमें punch भी है, but it's a different kind of punch. I was not expecting the psychedelic touch. I was not expecting the rock element. And this larger than life, it sounds very cinematic. Like I can see this. I can actually visualize this song. In a way, I was able to visualize this song. Okay, and we don't have a video for this. This is really sad. So I'm very very sad and disappointed कि इसका video नहीं भी आएगा क्योंकि EP अभी कुछ ही time हुआ है इसको release हुआ है. But I absolutely love this, and I might just give a listen to a couple of more songs. Though I was not planning to listen to the full EP, but maybe you'll feel. I mean, I want to listen to it because I'm just sitting for recording, and I might just. I might just edit out a couple of things from the larger context of the video. But this song, highly recommended. Please. And you know what? I had loved that song when I had so Yash Raj का जो पहला गाना था जो मैंने सुना था with Hanuman Kind. I really loved it. But then I was like, ठीक है, I let go of it and I shouldn't have. And I mean, किस्मत देखो, this has come back to me in this way. This has come back to me in this way. Even Hanuman Kind. Oh my God, this is so weird. Because अभी मैंने Big Dogs का reaction किया. And also with him also, it's sort of like I knew of him and I, on and off listened to him. But I never really paid attention. And now suddenly he has grabbed all my attention. And now suddenly with this song also, like, it's so, I don't know if it's fate, destiny. Like, Suddenly, now this guy's also caught my attention. What is going on? Huh? What is going on? What the F? But this is so cool, na? I love how universe works in such mysterious ways. So anyway, I definitely loved it. And if you have not known of this artist, please, I will literally urge you now to go and listen to this particular song. Okay, so I ended up listening to the entire EP, and oh boy, मतलब फंस गया हूँ मैं तो. I mean, सिर्फ एक ट्रेलर था. I would recommend, like, इसमें तो इनफैक्ट अगर कोई सुनेगा तो बोलेगा इतना ज्यादा डिस्को एलिमेंट्स नहीं है, बट guys, I recommend, इसमें 7 गाने सातों ही अच्छे, but the 3 songs that I would love to recommend you. Number 1 is Gabbar. इसमें एक और आर्टिस्ट है पूना करके, यशराज इन पूना. Please listen to that. Oh my god, आपको अगर मिथुन दा की याद ना आ गई तो मेरा नाम बदल देना आप, ठीक है ना? Second, definitely listen to Studio 29. Phenomenal. Another great song, really great disco elements added.
Put your fucking hands up. अरे भाई मैं तो पहले से ऊपर तभी तो लगता कि मर्जी मैं जो करूं सारे ये पत्ते सफेद मैं तो जो करूं.
Third is theme music.
मेरी जान मेरी हाँ में तू हाँ मिला नाच लगाने प्रोवोकेटिव बातें भी बैक इट मूव कर.
मुझे थीम म्यूजिक बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड इट. एंड मतलब फॉर मी इस EP में से मेरा फेवरेट थीम म्यूजिक निकला. सो बट या आई थॉट आई विल जस्ट एडिट दिस पार्ट, incorporate this part here. So please do check out his EP. I'm just gonna link the Spotify link on my description. And yes, back to my original video. So yes, let me know what did you think of this song, and I'm gonna sign off now from this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this reaction, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.